Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia X10. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, confirm with your current screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe. Now let's select PIN. Then let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock. And now let's select add fingerprint. And we have to scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the power button. Simply tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply enter it, confirm, set up face unlock, and now scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.